How to install Microsoft Excel on Mac for free. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to install Microsoft Excel on Mac. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your Mac. Here, tap on the search bar and search for Microsoft Excel. You will then see the option for Microsoft Excel. Tap on that and now tap on the cloud-like download button in order to download Excel on your Mac. Wait for the download to complete. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed. The file size is 980 MB, so the downloading process might take a while. Once Microsoft Excel has been downloaded on your Mac, launch the application by tapping on it. Agree to the terms and conditions and then tap on the blank document. And as you can see, Microsoft Excel has been successfully downloaded on my Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.